You're not missing a gym. You're missing a standard. Because if I locked you in an empty room with nothing but a floor, in 30 days you could look like a different person. Not with magic, not with supplements. With body weight, pressure, and discipline. And here's the part most people never find out. They quit right before the switch flips. In this video, I'm giving you the exact 30-day calisthenics plan that builds real muscle, burns fat, and sharpens your physique at home. No equipment, no excuses. Just a blueprint. But first, understand why this works so fast. Machines isolate. Calisthenics upgrades your whole system. Every rep forces your core to brace, your joints to stabilize, and your muscles to work together like they were built to. Push. Squat. Hinge. Brace. Breathe. That's why calisthenics changes your shape early. You're training your body to perform, not just flex. Here's what happens week by week. Week 1. Wake up. Everything feels sore. Good. That's dormant muscle turning on. You'll sweat more, sleep deeper, and feel tighter, even if the mirror hasn't caught up. Week 2. Activation. Push-ups get smoother, planks last longer, squats feel stronger. This is the week your mind starts bargaining. Skip today. If you win week 2, you separate from 90% of people. Week 3. Visible change. Arms pop, chest fills out, waist tightens, face sharpens. You stop trying to survive workouts, and you start controlling them. Week 4. Transformation. Posture improves. Your body looks awake in a T-shirt. You feel lighter, faster, more athletic. Because you earned it. Now the plan. Pick your level and follow it for 30 days. No guesswork. Warm up. 3 minutes. Every session. Arm circles 20 seconds. High knees 30 seconds. Hip rotations 20 seconds. Wrist mobility 20 seconds. Jog in place 30 seconds. Dynamic stretch 1 minute. Week 1. Base. Beginner. 10 push-ups. 15 squats. 20 second plank. 10 glute bridges, 10 incline push-up, 2 rounds. Intermediate, 15 push, 20, 5 squats, 30 second plank, 15 glute bridges, 10 dips, 3 rounds. Advanced, 20 push, 30 squats, 45 second plank, 20 glute bridges, 12 dips, 3 rounds. Week 2. Strength. Beginner, 12 push-ups, 20 squats, 25 second plank, 12 pike push-ups each leg, 2 to 3 rounds. Intermediate, 20 push-ups, 35 squats, 40 second plank, 15 pike push-ups, 15 lunges each leg, 3 rounds. Advanced, 25 push-ups, 40 squats, 60 second plank, 20 pike push-ups, 20 lunges each leg, 3 to 4 rounds. Week 3. Definition. Beginner, 15 push-ups, 30 second plank, then side plank, 15 seconds each side, 12 dips, 12 jump squats, 3 rounds, 25 push-ups, 45 squats, 45 second plank, then side plank 20 seconds each side, 15 dips, 15 jump squats, 3 rounds. Advanced, 30 push-ups, 50 squats, 60 second plank, then side plank, 30 seconds each side, 20 dips, 20 jump squats, 4 rounds. Week 4. Peak. Beginner, 20 push-ups, 40 squats, 45 second plank, 15 dips, 20 lunges each leg, 3 rounds. Intermediate, 30 push-up squats, 60 second plank, 20 dips, 25 lunges each leg, 3 to 4 rounds. Advanced, 40 push-ups, 60 squats, 90 second plank, 25 dips, 30 lunges each leg, 4 rounds. To transform, eat like it matters. Protein every meal. Whole carbs for training, energy, healthy fats, and water. Cut sugary drinks and junk. Your body can't build on trash. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Recovery is where the upgrade happens. Avoid these mistakes: rushing reps, trash form, skipping warm-up, never progressing. No rest, expecting overnight results. Here's the mental rule. 1 round beats 0. Train even when motivation is dead. Especially then. If you're starting this, subscribe to Omega Body and comment 30-day wise. Then prove it. Today, not later. You don't need a gym. You need discipline. Omega Body is built on that.